Bani basekas basesa piki skefe Europa Yile danda yile zoda shokes fele baybo Mokhumsha kathelele was Lesosa yayiqophe khophi ihlale bakasana hlibi papa netswa abantwana base parliament bakhula ngama purity amazinyo wabo maweqina fet badla ama conference bon putisa spilent KSG inyembe sabasalisi waphansi churches Vegas Dear God kodwa umthatheleni mama umthatheleni baba ngoba ingane sasencane inkinga zalo mhlaba baba semahlombeni mangibhala ingoma inyembezi izwele phepheni my auntie passed away and my uncle is in jail mangivuka ekseni I pray and still feel the pain kodwa senzeni mhlomnyama kodwa senzeni mhlomnyama kodwa senzeni to rape and the abortion escape and now the HIV/AIDS ukuhlupheka nolaka ukuhlukumeza abantwana it's the struggle after the struggle now can you relate asibeka ibhamu phansi maqabane fist in the air sikhuphula umphakathi ngalo mqondo knowledge we share I want God to give me a special touch that heals ngithinta umzansi ngale sandla sokuthoba inhliziyo
ngiphosto sanze tujie mathithe ku prop enhloko kuqala idolo kulandela umqolo sanqaba untangizolo umhlabi yabona intwana khona thanda isibhamu ukudlula isikole zonke yihle ithukunyoka thanda izayithu ukudlula isona fundiswa khona ngambona xhoma kaso go to church and you will see ayahlupheka amakhola igovernment ahola ingosi akhali kunza abanje ijele yagcwala bafethu khona into wrong ngalomhlaba
Don't cry, dry your eyes, it's over now. Blood spilling, mass murder and soldiers died. My convents, keep your head up, bury your weapons, cause life's about mad challenge. So stop stressing for the lava gas gets on pop. One in your dome, we on our own. Hip hop Antula, I feel what you vote. Of course I feel for my sisters at home with more problems. Raising a kid on your own with no father. Treat your neighbors the way that you would like to be treated, cause the people wanna live amongst peacemakers and preachers. The key to longevity is knowledge of self, mind of the master, survivalist, metropolis, madness. So peace to my freedom fighters who passed away. Our lives real as day to day. Until now, he led the way. Of course I feel for my brothers in jail and incarcerated. This life is meditated. You and I must elevate it, God.